In 2019, Tara Jones and her family noticed a foul odor less than a year after an oilfield waste pit opened near her home outside Orange Grove, Texas. Jones learned that other neighbors had complained for months about the odor. They experienced sneezing, coughing, itchy eyes, and on the worst days, felt nausea. The cause of the odor remains unclear, but Jones says that she and her neighbors had to agitate and do their own investigations to convince regulators to act. In 2021, the waste site owner, Blackhorn Environmental Services, was found to have violated its permit by receiving industrial waste for which it wasn't authorized at the Orange Grove site. The company was sued over the issue by the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, or TCEQ. Blackhorn appealed the permit violation, kept operating, and wasn't fined by Texas's Railroad Commission. Oil and gas waste sites can be controversial. In the small East Texas town of Paxton, for example, residents raised tens of thousands of dollars to fight a proposed oilfield disposal facility worried it would pollute their drinking water. The Railroad Commission staff last year recommended denying the permit, but commissioners allowed the waste company to submit a new proposal. Texas's Railroad Commission is the primary regulator of the state's oil and gas industry. The commission is rewriting regulations for waste disposal facilities known as statewide Rule 8. Critics question whether elected commissioners who receive campaign donations from the industry they regulate will protect public safety. One commissioner, Jim Wright, has ownership interests in disposal companies. Wright's office, however, says his decisions are not affected by business interests. The Blackhorn dispute with neighbors played out for 3 years. One night in December 2020, the Jones family again came home to a foul odor. Tara Jones said that she rushed her daughter inside, but the odor had permeated the house. She and her family had a metallic taste in their mouths. She and her husband got headaches. "My headache was so strong I felt like I was going to throw up," Jones said. In April 2021, commissioners voted to renew Blackhorn's permit, with Wright noting they would keep monitoring the situation while the TCEQ investigated. The following month, the commission suspended the site's permit, saying Blackhorn had accepted unauthorized waste at its Orange Grove site. But 6 months later, the Railroad Commission gave Blackhorn a clean bill of health, ending the permit suspension with no fine. The company had stopped accepting unpermitted waste and taken steps to prevent future violations, commission staff said. Patricia Canales Bell, Blackhorn's lawyer, says the company followed Railroad Commission environmental protection rules. Blackhorn had the waste in question tested, and the results showed no more of a threat to human health and the environment than traditional oil and gas waste at well sites. The Railroad Commission has confirmed that all operations of the Blackhorn facility are in full compliance with its permit, Canales Bell said. In April 2022, the Texas Attorney General sued Blackhorn on behalf of the TCEQ, asking a judge to impose civil penalties for Blackhorn's accepting waste from another facility in Texas that the TCEQ regulated and refusing to turn over records. Blackhorn has argued in court that the TCEQ doesn't have jurisdiction over the company. But news of the lawsuit brought Tara Jones to tears. "It was just so much work, and I wasn't getting any traction from the Railroad Commission," she said. "It was almost a relief that, hey, somebody really is listening, and hopefully we can get it resolved." Read the full story at Public Health Watch.